What's that?
What do you want anyway?
Your soul. Well, that didn't work too well. She just... Ah! Oh, you messed up the camera. Now it's all unfocused. And oh, it's foggy.
Hello?
You suck. Attack. Why aren't you attacking?
I was recording. She didn't know I was recording.
You look like Freddy. Okay. Just chilling on the ground.
Yeah.
Is it beeping? Oh, I'm sorry. Your brother let the dogs in.
Oh my god, you're not.
Stop recording this.
Hi, Mr. Z.
So, oh, you should do that. Give Mr. Zaretsky a message.
I'm
I'm a wolf, and I'm supposed to.
Axel, bust your door!